Hello everyone, this is me Arjun. This is my first tutorial to you all based on video editing. I'm going to tell you more about Adobe Premiere. Adobe Premiere is an application that allows you to create dynamic, visually stunning motion graphics and cinematic visual effects. Premiere Pro lets you the following features. Now I'm going to tell you the general workflow in Premiere. Getting started. Project setting. Sequence setting. Open the Adobe Premiere Pro you have recently installed in your computer. The Premiere will appear like this. Click on New Project. Type the project name as, for example, I have written First Day of Premiere Pro. Then click on OK. Another box will appear. This is for creating new sequence. Now, I'm going to tell you the general workspace or UI elements of Adobe Premiere. This is Source Monitor. And this is Effect Control Panel, Audio Mixer, Program Monitor, Projects Panel, Media Browser, Info Panel, Effect Panel, Timeline Panel, Audio Master Mirror. And this is video layer in which you place the video to be edited. And the layer below the video remains the audio layer as highlighted with green. Type the project name, then type your sequence name. Adjust the option in sequence setting for your video. We have already set up sequence. Now let's talk about sequence setting. Right click on the sequence, you will get sequence setting. This is the sequence setting dialog box. Drag the video on the timeline. Press plus or minus sign to increase or decrease the size of the timeline. Okay, thanks everyone for watching this tutorial on day 1st, day 60 on Adobe Premiere. Will be continued. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below for latest videos on technology, for making tutorials and many more. Okay, bye, good time.